Hello guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to get Wobble effect on Capcut. First, you need to upload your clip and then split your video according to your preference. You just want to make sure to split your video for about 0.8 to 1 second. And then after that, we're going to add some animations. Now go to animations and scroll all the way down and find the swing right option. And then change the duration to 0.2 seconds. And then do that to each clip that you have. And this is how it looks like so far. Now, go to Effects, and then go to Video Effects, and search for Oblique Blur, and click on Adjust. Now change the blur to 100% and rotate to 100%. Now, make sure that the duration of this effect is halfway only of your first clip. Now after that, click the effect. And then what we're going to do here is to go to adjust and then add a keyframe at the first and last part. And then during the last part of the keyframe, change the blur to a 0%. And then what we're going to do is to duplicate this and place it at the first part of your third clip. So you just have to add this to your alternate clips and make sure to change this to all videos. Next is to duplicate this effect again. And then what we're going to do is to change its settings. So click the adjust button. And then you have to change the rotate for about 50. And then same as the end of the keyframe, we're going to change the rotate to 50. And now you have to place it at the first part of your second clip and then the alternating clips that doesn't have any effects. And this is how it looks like. And now for better edit, you can add a effect like this, zoom lens, and make sure to add this to each of your clips. And this is the finished product of our edit. And then that's it guys. I hope that you learned in this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.